Okay, Jimmy the Greek. Okay, 1, 2, 3.
Video yan, te.
1, 2, 3. Okay.
Abang vlog niya yan.
Wow! Too much long! Wow! Too much long! So this is
Bawal lang ka naman kasi.
yeah, only 3,000 so more cheaper because there's this one is not yet included? No.
May labubo naman siya.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, her.
Yeah, not this one. 150 so
Hindi, kakaro ikwa na naka-frame.
Para dyan sa
So sweet.
Hi guys, ito na bili natin sa Your Tail Coach. So it's only 790 Canadian and this is 34,000 pesos.
1, 2, 3, go.
Okay, we're going to Your Tail.
Okay. Tingin tabi. Lin. Lin. Wow.
Okay, we already have energy because we drink energy drinks. Okay, we are here in Mars University. Over there is subway. Right behind me is Mars and University. Over there is subway. Look, the two professors behind me. Yes, here in Mars and University of Toronto. Again, Tim Hortons here in Yordale Place. Simon's. Okay. Roots.
Canada brand talaga.
That one is the Canada Goose. Lululemon. That one is Sandro. Swarovski. Hi guys, we are here now in Scotiabank, Toronto. Yes guys, we are here now in Union Station, Scotiabank, Toronto. Ano banda ron?
Rogers Center.
And-
Yan yung stadium, malaking stadium. Yun yung lobby.
Okay.
At least, lakad tayo.
Here I have already lined here. Yeah, that one is Scotiabank. Here in Union Station. Yay! Yay! And we're drinking also Tim Hortons. Coffee is life. Yes, we are here in Scotiabank Union Station, Toronto. Yes, guys, we are here now in CN Tower. There you go. Yes, guys. So, there you go. Yan.
Sige na.
Naso pa nami da.
Guys, there you go. CN Tower, Toronto. The Aquarium of Canada and CN Tower. Rogers Center. Here also is Beaver Tails. Beaver Tails. Replace Aquarium of Canada. Replace Aquarium of Canada. Hello, winner! Yahoo! Rogers Center.
So like dito our friend.
Ano? Mama ko. Okay, this is the short one.
Oh, entrance.
Crawfish Reef. Okay guys, we are here in the Ripley's Aquarium of Canada. Let's go in! Let's go in! Yes guys. Okay, beware our step. Okay guys, here entrance.
Tara na. Pwede ba ma-video ito? Baka bawal.
Mamaya pag nandun na siya.
Tama-tama. Mabigyan. Talong naman. Patay mo naman.
Okay guys, so we are here already inside in the Aquarium of Canada. Let's begin. Okay, let's go in. Okay guys, so start from here now guys. Yes guys, so dito tayo ngayon sa aquarium. Oh, look at that lobster. Look at it, that shark. Wow, look at that. Look at that shark. Look. Another one shark there. At it, very big fish. Oh my gosh, ilang kilo yata to, oh. Hmm? This one, look at very big. Ano pangalan nito? Fish na yan?
Stingray. Ray.
There! Wow!
Wait lang si Mami.
3.
Nasama siya?
Dalawa kayo. Dali.
Ay, video.
Look at the shark on my head! Oh! 1, 2, 3. One more. Look, the other one. Ay, this is short. It's a short. Look at it. Oh gosh, ang dami. Look at the shark. Oh.
Pasok tayo dun. Pasok tayo dun sa... Wala, karo. Tanong lang tama.
Dami.
Pwede pumasok dun. Pasok kayong dalawa. Picture lang tayo dun sa spaceship.
Yan, linaw. Ang ganda.
Me.
We are going.
Nauntog! Nauntog sa aquarium, ang kapatid ko. Photo, 1, 2, 3. Yes, ano pangalan nito, Ning? Lionfish. Hello. How are you, Lionfish, my friend? Hi, how are you, my dear? How can I help you, Lionfish? Charot. Ang laki, parang ahas. This called electric eel. Look, ang haba ng eel na to. That's why they call electric eel because mahaba. Parang ahas. Hello, this one is seahorse.
Kami nang
Uy,
namurek
na, ayan na, species.
Seahorse.
Seahorse. Charot. In this area is a planet jellies. Look at those jellies in the roof. That one, the planet jellies. Ray. Ray, as in R-A-Y. How are you, Ray? You are like a man name. Ray. Hello, my cousin Ray. How are you? You are here in Toronto? Look at it, the planet jelly. Wow.
Kaya pala.
Okay, guys, all this is beautiful. See, planet, yes. Guys, we are here in the aquarium of Canada. Canada. Alright, and okay, hi guys, we are here in the aquarium of Canada.
May mukha ni Mami, iba, hindi pangit.
Guys, dito na nagtatapos ang ating vlog. So, dito sa may aquarium of Canada. There you go. Yes, guys, thank you so much for watching my videos. Don't forget to subscribe down below. Bet Lifestyle channel here in Toronto, Canada. Thank you so much. Bye. Ciao. Uy, ano yun lumulutang? What is that? Uy. Beautiful. Fantastic. Yeah. Saan na? Ala. Okay. Go, 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 go.
Sila, oh.
Uy. Uy, 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 uy. Uy, uy. What? So quite big. Look at that shark.
Uy, did you see that?
Anong fish yan? Oh. He's trying to teach. Come on, come on, come on. Metro Toronto Convention Center, Intercontinental Hotel, Mars McLennan,
Delta.
and Delta. Guys, dito na nagtatapos ang ating vlog here in Aquarium of Canada. There you go. Bye. Thank you.